Hey, big guy. Oh, you can't go any further. Let's go this way. Come on, baby. Come on. And go under the table and get some shade. Come this way. Come here. Come here. Go under. Come on. Go under there. It's shady. That's nice, see? There you go. Here. Chew on your bone. He's a pierogi. I know. Pretty girl. Their water dish, which constantly gets knocked over. But that's okay. Got enough water, huh? Oh, yes. Oh, look. Here's Pierogi's bone. I shall give it to her. Maybe she want to chew on something. Do you want this? These are like a treat. They're cow cheek, but they're not rawhide. They're mixed. There's chicken in there and other kind of organ meats. First time buying. They're kind of big for her little mouth, but more to work on. Hey, King. Might take her a little longer, huh? I made King like a little tent so he can be shaded. Today they had steak from the barbecue for breakfast. Then another piece of steak for lunch. Then they have turkey for dinner, and their dog food, and their treats, and their Stella and Chewy. Whatever they like. Oh, there's a piece of lunch. Got the little wood pile going on over there. Little basin thing for washing dishes. My big old cast iron frying pan. Now this is a giant. But it works really well on the bar or on the fire pit. It's a little heavy. Well, this is kind of a boring video, guys, but thought you'd like to see my dogs. Well, have a good day, guys.